Ever run out of clamps halfway through a glue up? Happened to me once. No time to drive to the store, so I hit the dollar store. Found some bungee cords, duct tape, and plastic spring clamps meant for laundry. Slapped them on like some kind of Frankenstein fix. And it actually worked. Barely. Not pretty, but it helped. Now I've got real clamps, but I still keep one of those dollar store bungees. A reminder that good builders don't always need the best tools, just good ideas.